Do you ever struggle with English prepositions of place? For example, is it on the bus, but in the car? Or could it be both? How about finding your keys? Are they in the drawer, at the drawer, or on the drawer? When you listen, which one sounds right to you? No doubt about it, prepositions of place can be confusing. That's why today we're joining Kelly and Kumiko as they explore Victoria and see how they figure it out. Let's start with the harbor. It's a place with lots of activity and perfect to practice prepositions of place.
Where's the ferry terminal, Kelly?
It's behind the statue, near the water.
Oh, I see it. And the ticket office is in front of the ferry terminal. Got it.
Good. Let's buy our tickets and get on the ferry.
After their ferry ride, they hop into a taxi to head into town.
This taxi is so comfortable.
It is. And look, there's a map of the area in the seat pocket in front of you.
Oh, so there is. That's convenient. Oh my goodness. Look at that beautiful building opposite the park.
That's the City Hall. It's quite famous. And look, the library is just next to it on the right.
Next, they arrive at the train station, so listen now for more prepositions.
Which train do we take?
We need the one on platform 3.
Ah, okay, thanks. And where's the waiting area?
It's just over there, between the ticket counter and the entrance where we came in. But let's go sit in the cafe and get a snack. I'm starving.
A break sounds like a great idea. Let's join them at the cafe and listen in.
This was a good idea. I'm hungry too. I wonder if we could get some more sugar for our coffee.
It's in that basket on the counter, next to the coffee machine.
Oh, right, and the spoons are in the drawer under the counter. Got it.
After recharging, they decide to spend some time outdoors.
Where should we sit?
Let's sit on that bench under the tree in the shade.
Perfect. Those flowers around the fountain are gorgeous.
They are, and the kids playing on the grass behind the fountain are so cute. Let's rest a bit.
But Kumiko and Kelly's day isn't quite over yet, and next up is the hotel.
Where's the reception desk?
It's at the back wall, opposite the elevators.
And the restaurant?
It's on the ground floor next to the lobby.
What would I do without you? And what about the gym?
On the second floor, above the conference room, right beside the spa, which I'm super interested in.
Before calling it a day, they stop to do some shopping.
I've spent too much money. Where's the sales section?
Me too. The sale items are all at the very back of the store, near the changing rooms.
Oh, I see them now. And where's the cashier?
You must have missed it. It's at the front of the store where we came in, next to the jeans.
What a busy day they've had. Let's wrap things up. Don't worry, Kelly and Kumiko didn't actually do all of this in one day. Now, let's review all the prepositions we used today. On the bus, in the car, under the counter, next to the coffee machine, behind the statue, in front of the ferry terminal, near the water, between the ticket counter and the entrance, opposite the park, above the conference room, at the back wall, around the fountain, beside the spa. Which of these do you find a bit tricky? Share those with us in the comments below and let us know which prepositions you'd like to see in future videos. Or let us know if you would like more detailed lessons on some of these. Try to practice with real-life situations, and you'll master them in no time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you found it fun or helpful, and please share your ideas for other videos in the comments. Also, check out the PDF in the description below for practice activities, and we'll see you next time. Remember, practice makes possible, so try to notice prepositions over the next week or two while they are still fresh in your mind.